In outbound sales, your list isn't just important, it's everything. Before adding someone, ask yourself, is this really someone I should be reaching out to? The best prospects have two things: a company that fits your product and a person who is responsible for the problem you solve. If you skip this step, it will catch up to you. You'll spend weeks following up with people who were never a good fit in the first place. That's why quality matters more than quantity. A strong list leads to better results. But building a good list isn't always easy. Sometimes you can't find the right contact details, like email or phone number. That's where SalesBuckets helps. It uses full enrich to search across 20+ premium database vendors, including Clearbit, Wizza, and Hunter. It uses triple verification process, so that person's email will not bounce. But finding data is only part of the job. You also need to make sure you're targeting the right person. Job titles can be confusing or inaccurate, so instead, check their LinkedIn profile. Look at what they actually do. Make sure they're the right person to contact and that they're still in that role. If they're not a good fit, skip them. Once you have the right people, you're ready to move forward. Using the SalesBucket Chrome extension, you can choose to enrich contacts or import them, either one at a time or in bulk. For a single contact, if you're viewing an individual LinkedIn profile, just click the Paste URL button to quickly import that person. For bulk imports, head over to Sales Navigator. Use filters to quickly find general information tailored to your needs. Then click the Paste URL button again. It will automatically capture the filtered results link and import those leads into your buckets for easy follow-up. Inside the SalesBuckets platform, you can do the same. Copy and paste a single profile or import multiple contacts in bulk. If you're using ZoomInfo, Apollo, or LeadIQ, just download your CSV and upload it to SalesBucket. Simply map the fields to match your data, and once everything is set, you can organize your contacts into buckets and schedule follow-ups with ease. SalesBuckets will then run its enrichment process to find and verify contact details. After that, everything is ready, so you can start reaching out with confidence.